Hi sayang, Santa sayang here. Well, today is a nice Saturday, so I feel like doing some rendang fish. It's my style, so I already marinated this fish. This fish is a good catch from my boys. They caught it, so I intend to do a rendang fish. You may ask me what did I add to the ingredients to marinate this fish. Well, this fish, first let's go to here. I had 2 onions over here, slice of ginger cut in pieces, and curry leaf to stock. This all I need to fry into a oil to caramelize these onions and this ginger and fry these leaves for garnishing. Well, this fish, what did I add? So I blend cumin seed, dry chilies, 2 fresh chilies, and coconut into a smooth paste, and a bit of salt, and I just add into this rendang over here. Yeah, if you want, you can add dry roast the coconut before you blend it. Look at the fish. It really looks so nice. You see, I can pick it up. I already done it. You see, already marinate it for nearly about 1 hour. The fish goes something like that. Look, looks nice. And the eggs also. Look at the eggs over here. Yeah, it was quite a big fish, So look at the tail over here. Okay, this is the tail over here. I already marinate it, you see, and a lot of curry leaves had been added to it. So John, let's start to cook. Before I fry, I had to fry the onions, curry leaf, and ginger. Well friends, I had to add in the curry leaf and the ginger as well. So I want this to be in as far as possible. I want it to be brownish, brownish color. Young friends, look, I already caramelized the onion, ginger, and the curry leaves over here. Okay, the fish already marinated. So now I'm going to shallow fry. Okay, yeah. Let's start with this tail first. Look at the rendang fish. Looks so nice, right? But it takes time. Yes, friends, it takes time. Be patient. Yeah, you have to be patient in doing this. Friends, look here. I have completed with my fish rendang over here. John, let's try at home. Serve your family. Like my page and subscribe me. Thank you so much. Have a great day, Santa sayang.